good afternoon, good evening, wherever you may be watching this from. This is Cornelius Lubinda with another video. This is additional mathematics vectors, vectors in two space or two dimensions, example questions. This is question number 2a, alright, which says x, y is equal to 1 negative 3 plus t multiplied by 2, 5. Alright, so let's just write it here. Xy is equal to 1 negative 3 plus t. You multiply by a 2, 5. So this is your vector equation. Take full note that this xy simply means our resultant vector r is equal to, this is r naught plus t, then direction vector like that. So r is equal to r naught plus t multiplied by the direction vector. And then they want us to draw a closed triangle. This we know is a coordinate because a position vector is a coordinate on the x or y plane. Now, if you want to draw a line, for us to draw a closed triangle, first of all, we need to draw a line using this particular vector equation. How can we do that? So first of all, let's use the column vector form, which is 1, comma, negative 3 plus, for example, let's say t is 1. So 1, you multiply by 2, 5. If you simplify this, you're going to have 3, negative 3 plus 5 is a 2. So a point on the line is actually 1, negative 3 and then 3, 2. So 3, 2 like that. And 1, negative 3 is our points on the line. Okay? So we just clean up now. Since we now know that, we just connect those 2 points. So 1, negative 3 and then 3, 2. 1, negative 3 is right here. Then we have 3, alright, 3, 2. Positive 3, 2. Right there. Then upon us knowing that, we will now draw it like this. So this is our point right here, then this is our other point right there, and this is a line. What we have drawn is actually a line that is connecting these 2 points. Then to continue, they say draw a closed triangle. So we know one position vector, alright? One position vector that we know is 1, negative 3. So 1, negative 3, 1, negative 3 is where? It is right there. Like that. Sorry, this is 3, sorry for that. This is 3, 2. We write an R like that. 1, negative 3 is coming down. Sorry for that oversight. 1, negative 3 is coming down like that. Okay, so we have actually drawn a closed triangle because this is the straight line here. Then these two are the vectors. So you can choose any of the vectors to be r naught and the resultant vector r. So I'll choose this one to be resultant vector r, and then this one here will be r naught. So what am I trying to say? For us to have resultant vector r, we go r naught, and then from r naught we go there. Now, because r naught is 1, negative 3, we move 2, 5 to find ourselves at 3, 2. And that's how we draw the closed triangle. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. This has been Cornelius Tuinda, and bye-bye.